In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Base44 with Domain. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go inside Base44 to start linking your custom URL to your app, what to look for on the domains page, and how to confirm you're on the right plan to enable this feature. First, open your browser and head to the Base44 app. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, look for the main navigation and click on Apps. This takes you to a list of all the apps in your workspace and is the quickest way to get to the project you want to publish on a custom domain. Next, click on the specific app you want to connect to your domain. Selecting the app opens its workspace and focuses all the tools and settings on that project. From here, go to the dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your app's control center. This is where you manage core settings and publishing-related options. On the dashboard, find and click on Domains. This is the dedicated area where you'll handle everything related to connecting a custom URL. The Domains page is designed to guide you, so take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout and any available prompts. You'll see a section that asks if you want to use your domain. That's your starting point for initiating the connection. If you're exploring this for the first time, it's helpful to have your domain details handy so you can move smoothly through the prompts that follow on screen. Base4 will show the options that are relevant for your app and will outline what comes next in the connection flow. If you notice a message indicating that custom domains are available on the builder plan and above, that's Base4 letting you know your current subscription may not include this feature. Before proceeding, check your plan and upgrade if necessary so the custom domain tools are enabled in your workspace. This prevents surprises later and ensures you can complete the connection in one pass. A quick recap. Open Base44, go to Apps, select your app, head into the dashboard, and then click Domains. From there, use the Use Your Domain option to begin the connection, and make sure your plan includes custom domains if you see that eligibility note. Keep your domain details nearby, follow the on-screen guidance, and you'll be set up to finish the process confidently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.